how to view saved passwords on Android mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Settings. In Settings, simply scroll down and click on Google. After you've clicked on Google, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on your name at the top in the Google. After you've done that, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, click on Password Manager. Then you'll find all your password in here. Simply select the one you want to see password of. Then you will need to add your lock screen password. After you have added your lock screen password, you will find this kind of screen. You will find username and password. You can click on the eye icon and view your password. This is how to view saved password on Android mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.